Imagine an airline where the passenger truly comes first, where service is a reality rather than a promise, and expectations are not only satisfied, but exceeded. Emirates, keep discovering. Since its launch in 1985, Emirates has become one of the world's leading airlines. Success has been established through not only meeting the highest standards, but also frequently setting them. On board, we redefine luxury and deliver exceptional space and comfort. Gourmet meals and fine dining are assured, accompanied by a comprehensive selection of wine and beverages. Our professional, friendly, multilingual cabin crew are drawn from more than 100 nationalities, ensuring an attentive yet unobtrusive service. In a world where many choose to follow, it's good to know that some still lead, discovering the untrodden path, exploring new horizons, and experiencing new cultures. Emirates believes in the human spirit, man's desire to discover, to explore, and to innovate, to think beyond traditional thinking, and create the finest airline in the skies.